Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to find like posts on Instagram. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Instagram app and log in onto your account. So since we're currently logged in already, just make sure that you're currently onto the right account. Right after, to see your own like post on your Instagram account, you'll just have to click onto your profile icon here onto the bottom part and click onto the three horizontal lines onto the upper part of the screen. Now, right after, you'll just have to click onto your activity. From there, you should be able to see all of your interactions, such as your likes, comments, notes, tags, sticker responses, and reviews. So you'll just have to click onto likes in here. So here under likes, you should be able to see all of the like posts that you did onto your account. So you could sort this one out from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You could also choose the dates for that and the content types. And that is how easy you could find your like posts on Instagram. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.